Happy Independence Day, Ukraine. Today, in the heart of Sydney, Australia, something truly historic happened. Against the stunning backdrop of the Sydney Harbour Bridge, hundreds of people came together to unfurl the largest Ukrainian flag in the world, measuring an incredible 60 by 40 meters. This flag has traveled across the globe, from Florida, after visiting the White House near Washington, to many countries around the world, and now it proudly waves in Sydney on Ukraine's Independence Day. From above, captured by drone, you can see a sea of blue and yellow, carried in the hands of people united by love and solidarity with Ukraine. The atmosphere was filled with pride, strength, and hope. Adding to the magic of this day, the frontwoman of the iconic Ukrainian band, the Hardkiss, joined the event, standing together with the community to celebrate freedom and resilience. This moment will remain forever in our hearts, a powerful symbol of unity that connects Ukraine with the world. Glory to Ukraine!